YouTube kids. I'm going to show you what I got from McDonald's and Walmart. This is a minion I got from McDonald's or Abbott. So this is what it does. It has headphones and a microphone. This is what it does. This is what it does. So I guess you can't see it, but you can look. So this is my first toy. And this is the fidget spinner, guys. I can show you it. So it's a fidget spinner. And fidget spinners can spin on the table, guys. See, guys?
Okay, Isaiah. I'm gonna go change, okay?
Okay. Thank you for watching my toy review. When I get new toys, I'll show them. And comment down below if you like the minion or this fidget spinner. Goodbye.